But you've got to go in strong. And then Donnie, what are the things that are going to be required if I throw you a buyer
Right. So
now? What are you going to ask?
So when we're, again, what I focus on is the goals, right? Monthly payment goals, out-of-pocket goals. But that really goes into budgeting and qualifying, right? So what we're going to collect from you on paperwork is income documentation. If you're a W-2 employee, we're going to want the last 2 years W-2s. We're going to want 2 consecutive pay stubs. We're going to want to run your credit. So we pull a full credit report. It's called a hard inquiry. Mortgage credit scores typically are going to be a little bit different than what you see on the free credit score, the Credit Karma. It's a different scoring model. It's a much more detailed look. So we want to evaluate your credit from day one. It's one of the most important things because your credit is going to dictate which program we're looking at. It's going to determine what your interest rate is, what mortgage insurance, if you're putting down less than 20%, what the cost of that is going to be. And then we want to look at your assets. So, what we have to determine is which program are we going to utilize for your purchase, what's the down payment requirements, and what are the settlement costs? That's a big number, that we have to focus on. We have to be prepared for your closing costs, and then your prepaid items, which covers taxes, homeowners insurance, any interest that's due at closing. We go through it line by line. We make sure that every dollar is accounted for, and that you know exactly what that budget is.
And if your loan officer is not asking you these questions, you do not have a true pre-approval.
Right.
Getting back to credit and how your program gets affected by credit score, so does your homeowner's insurance.
Right.
So